Hello everyone, welcome back to Purple Rose Crafts. Today we're going to learn how to do this simple and easy, very beginner friendly, like absolute basics cast on for our knit stitches. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Amanda. I'm the creative behind Purple Rose Crafts, and I've been knitting and crocheting for over 25 years. Alright, so first thing we're going to need for our cast on is some 5mm knitting needles. And we're going to need some yarn. So I've grabbed a worsted weight yarn, and this is our Loops and Threads Impeccable, and it's a beautiful yellow color, which is kind of more like a goldenrod. It's called Sunny Day, and I absolutely love it. I used it before to make a Harry Potter style scarf for my daughter, and it just turned out lovely. All right, so to get started with our standard cast on, we're not even going to do a knitted cast on today. We're just going to do a very simple and easy cast on row, but we're going to start it with a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, we're going to take our index and our middle finger on our left hand. We're going to hold our yarn in our pinky and our ring finger, and we're going to wrap it around like so. Okay, so you want to wrap it around 2 times, well, basically 1 full time, and then you're going to cross it over so that you've got kind of a cross here in the center of your fingers. Now we're going to take this working yarn off of our ball, and we're going to push it underneath like so. And then we're going to tighten it up. All right, this gives us a nice slinky knot that we can use, and we can tighten and loosen. Okay, let's do that one more time, nice and slow for you. So we're going to grab the tail of our yarn in our pinky and our ring finger. We're going to come up over our index and middle finger and across, make an X on the inside of our hand, and then on the back side we're going to tuck that long working yarn underneath the one that we wrapped. Okay, you can separate your fingers a little bit if you need to get that underneath. It doesn't have to be really tight. You don't have to hold your yarn really tight. When we tighten up our knot here, everything will tighten, so it'll be fine. Bring down our slip knot. So we're going to grab our working yarn and give it a pull, and the knot is going to tighten up onto our knitting needle. Now, I like to leave it just a touch loose like this. This way, when I'm going to insert my other needle into the stitch, there is room. All right, so we're gonna leave our tail here. We're not going to use it. You can tuck it underneath your fingers here to keep it out of the way if you'd like. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our yarn and use your left index finger and give it a twist. Okay, so we wanna make a little loop. Now, the working yarn is in front of the one that came off of our slip knot. Okay, and now we're going to take our knitting needle and insert it into the loop and pull it tight. That's it. There is our simple and easy, beginner friendly, simple cast on. Okay, let's do it again. So we're going to take our yarn, give it a twist, make our loop. Now I'm holding it here just to keep everything straight, but again, you can see my working yarn is over top of the one from my previous stitch, and then we're going to go ahead and insert our needle in the loop and pull it tight. Not tight, okay? So it's a touch loose, and these stitches will move around. They'll get looser, they'll get tighter depending on how we work the next row over top. So let's continue this one. Let's do about 10 of them. So you can see that was even easier. So I'm taking it, wrapping it a touch around my finger, and then inserting my needle front to back through that loop. Okay, and then pulling it tight. So you can keep doing that. All right, so take the yarn off of our needle, wrap it around from the top, and catch it with our needle. Okay, slide them down as you need to, and there is our cast on row. All right, let's add a few more. All right, so there's our nice and easy cast on row. All right, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you made it all the way to the end, give me a comment below. Let me know what you're gonna use this cast on for. What are you guys gonna knit with this? And as always, we love to see your work, tagging us on our Instagram page, and we will share everything you tag us in to our stories. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that you will be notified when we post our next video. Pretty soon is going to come up with a Harry Potter scarf. Hope you guys are excited about that, like I am. All right, we'll see you next time.